have this ECG on, we can go over here to physio. Okay. And you're going to push physio. And as soon as we push that, this menu changes to the ECG menu. So just to turn it on right here, see the little green, this is lit into green here.
Mm-hmm.
If I push that, it disappears, it's off. So if inadvertently the ECG is gone, it's because it just wasn't activated, okay?
Which button did you press to get to that again? Or to get the
physio.
Physio, okay.
Okay. And so here is our sweep. We can make that sweep across faster or slower. Okay. Keep up with the heart rate. And this is our gain, so you can keep it smaller or larger. You can change leads, and it doesn't actually tell you what the lead is. It just changes the confirmation.
Just worked out.
So what do the sweeps
Oh, there it
do?
goes. Done.
Watch how fast it goes across.
There you go.
The horizon sweep makes it go
It was
faster.
85.
Yeah, horizontal is what it means, just horizontal sweep.
And then
Where,
the gain
where,
will
is,
make
where are
it
you seeing this?
The gain
On the
makes
right.
it taller,
taller.
See,
or
there's
deep,
the number.
shorter.
Oh,
And then the
okay.
ECG lead over here on the far right changes the lead. So that was a negative complex, and there's some positive ones. So you can just run through them. It doesn't tell you what the lead is, though. So it's not like you can say, oh, it's a lead 2 or a lead 1. Or
I see. So
you just
that
look for your best complex, because we don't really care when you're doing an ultrasound of any kind what lead we're recording. We just want to know timing, right? You just want to know the timing of when a valve closes or when electrical activity starts or something, and that's easy enough to do on this. So what you're really looking for is the cleanest signal. Like this one's kind of messy. It's hard to decide where your P's are. A little muscle tremor in there. But this one's a little easier. You can see where the P's are. And although this one's negative, I like it the best because we can really see where the P's and the QRS's are. So it's easy to time things. That's the goal, okay?
Do I have a heart condition?
I don't think so, because
Okay.
I don't know what lead it is.
Okay.
If this was lead 2, we'd be worried. Okay? And it does tell you what your heart rate is there.
So lead 1 or lead 2 being.
So the leads in the for an EKG, they go across. So like lead 1 actually records the electrical activity straight across the top
Okay,
of the heart,
okay,
like
yeah,
this.
that's right.
And lead 2 goes from this right arm straight to that bottom
Okay.
leg. So it's that Einthoven's triangle. Do you
Yeah.
remember that?
Mhm.
Okay, so it's just the lead
Okay.
system is just your triangle. And actually, your right leg is just a ground lead. It isn't part of the triangle, right? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3.
Okay.
All right? And so again, I don't know what lead this is, but if that's a 2, he's in trouble. Okay? So that's how you set your, you can also change the position. You can bring it up or down, bring it closer to what you're looking at, so the timing might be a little easier to deal with. Triggers, I honestly don't know anything about, but if you want to, because we just never trigger events, but there's a help menu here. If I push this help button, it goes to their manual.
Brilliant.
Okay?
That's an important
And so
one.
any questions you have, sometimes it's not, sometimes it's like mud still, but you can just come in here and, just go through here, and here's an A to Z index and so forth, okay? So it's pretty easy. And then to, what's this one? Actually goes by chapters. So all you have to do is push the help menu again to have it go away.
you ever do that when you're giving an exam? Press the hub button. Oh, see what's
Don't
going
you
on
wish
here.
it was that easy, huh? So you can read what the triggers do. They like trigger events, I think, so that if you want the timing of certain things to happen at a certain time, you can do that based on the beginning of the QRS or end of the T or whatever, but I never use it, so I don't know actually what that's about. And you can add a beep to it.
Grabbing a different SD card or battery.
Frozen. This will time itself out after a while if we haven't touched the button, so it just froze. See how it's not moving anymore? So here's your freeze button. Go ahead and push it.
So does that freeze the image and the E?
Everything freezes, yep.
So what did you do to unfreeze it?
Just,
There's a freeze
just push
button.
it again. And it's an on-off. And you heard that we were still on there, and I pushed the beep button so you can hear. And this is our audio. Okay. And you can turn that off. We usually leave it